Alright, this is a Tokyo Marui MP5 shooting test. This is where the can is. It's about 40, maybe pushing it if I say 50 feet away from where I'm going to be shooting from. This is from the side of the can, alright? Give me a sec. I'm going to go get everything ready and start shooting. Alright, that's all the ammo I have. Let's take a look at the can. Alright, just splashes, small amount of denting. That's the thing with Tokyo Marui, you're not gonna get superb power, but if you're playing in a just a one hit you're out the game, it's perfect because it goes far. Alright, that's it. I'll be making more videos soon, so be sure to check them out. Comment, rate, subscribe.